least, because most of the states in India now, they have come forward with SOPs and helping the state hoteliers. Basically, they have given a relaxation. If you have renewed now, give us at least 3 months or 4 months of relaxations in the coming year, next year, by helping us in this crisis. You take about the garbage fees which CCP is charging today. They've already tried to hike the charges. The trade licenses are renewed. We have paid full amount. The other thing is what, there are many restaurants in Goa at the moment who have closed down for good because they cannot survive with these 3-4 months of closure. They don't know, the uncertainty is there, and the rentals are going on in a huge way. So to avoid that rental, they have closed down permanently. Maybe they may come up again with some other places and start their businesses again. But those who are in rental premises have a very bad time today, my dear friends. We are gone into from bad to worse. The situation is so much that we need to start our restaurant as early as possible for a longer period. Every year renewal, it's a tedious process. Every time you need to go get a water sample test, you do gas cylinder test, piping testing and all those things. I mean, Baba, give us a license for 5 years so that renewal can be done every year, or you pay for 5 years in term. You'll have discount it. So that is to ease. म्हणजे आमका परते तो पेपर वर्क करचो पडटा न्ही, तातूंत थोडोसो मागीर आमकां समाधान जातलें बाबा कमी पेपर वर्क पण पयशेच वता न्ही वचूंक, पण 5 वर्सांचे आमकां लायसन्सीस मेळ्ळे.
The only department industry where we are doing so much guidelines. If you go to any of our restaurant, there is a person taking the gun, taking your temperature, writing down your phone number, everything. The tables are sanitized continuously. The staff are sanitizing their hand continuously. The food is prepared to the optimum temperature in a licensed premise which has been inspected by the Food and Drug Administration. When all these guidelines and precautions are taken, why is restaurant and hotel industry only being singled out in the public eye? That is the only question.
Domestic tourism is secondary. We would right now like to focus on our locals. You know, if tourists come in, that would be a big question mark if people actually are willing to travel outside their own cities right now. But for us right now, our primary focus is local diners. Is what I would think, right? Like, yes, that is something which we are looking at. Yeah, and post that, obviously, for us, more business is better. But we would love domestic tourists is what we see realistically in the next few days or few months. But as of now, it is local diners who are willing to go out. We don't expect, guys, you know, start off flights, let people come in, let Goa become a party destination again. That's not what we are looking at. We want our local people who want to go out and have a nice meal at a nice restaurant. That's what we are here for.
टुरिजम मिनिस्टर आमी आतां ट्राय गेल्ले सगळे येतना बाबा, पण मेळूंक ना. कित्याक म्हाका दिसता तो कोविडान मातसो कमी येता ऑफिसान, पण रिप्रेझेंटेशन धाडून दिता ताका.
आजचे डेटीक तुमी खंयचे टुरिस्ट पळयता गोंयान येवपाक जाय म्हणून सद्या?
आमी डॉमेस्टीक टुरिस्ट इज आवर फोकस. द क्लोजेस्ट म्हणजे सगळे
domestic as well as local residents also.
I would think our first focus is local residents of Goa first need to be comfortable in going out, because right now if you're open restaurants till 9 p.m. at night and you're open till 9 p.m. at night, पण तुका सोरो विकपाक जायना. At the same time dinner sale ना, म्हणजे if you're talking about COVID perspective can happen even in the daytime. अशें ना की रातचेच COVID transmission happens, अशें ना की सोरो पिवनूच COVID transmission जाता. So if you're talking about COVID perspective for this whole lockdown, जाल्यार right now what is happening doesn't personally make sense to any one of us.